Hello everyone, this is Arif welcoming you to my channel, and today I'll show you the process. It's been a long journey, a journey with all of you. It wasn't as easy as it seems. Being a student of computer science, graphic design wasn't a bad choice after all. But it didn't make its own way to where it is now. So many failure, frustration and problems was accompanying my choice along the way. I knew it, this will not be easy. It's a process all creatives must go through. It definitely bothered me, but it couldn't stop me. I started to deal with clients from Bangladesh as well as overseas. New experience started to accumulate. With that, a thought came into my mind. What's the point of my experience if it's not there when I'll be gone? So I started to put more efforts on my YouTube channels. It became my second nature along with my job at Rankin. Today YouTube is no more a choice for me, it became my lifestyle. A lifestyle which connected me with you. A lifestyle which connected me with my 200k subscribers. Thank you for being with me.